Here's how to fix messages failed to send on your iPhone. Now, if you open up messages and it says not delivered or failed to send, the first thing I would recommend doing is swiping down from the top right, toggle airplane mode on for a second, and then toggle it back off just to disconnect and reconnect. See if it'll send at that point. Tap on the little exclamation and hit try again or send as a text message. If that doesn't work, let's swipe up and close out of your messages app, and then you can just open it up again and see if it works after reopening it. If it still doesn't work, let's hop out of here and open up your settings. From here, scroll down to the very bottom and tap on apps. And now we'll get to your message settings. So scroll down until you get to messages. And from here, you want to make sure iMessage is turned on, and send and receive. You can always choose an email address in addition to your phone number, and this might help. After you've done that, let's go back out of here and scroll down, and you'll be able to see send as text message. If that's off, make sure you toggle that on. Now, if all of these don't work, let's go back to the very beginning of your settings. We'll tap on the general option and software update. You'd be surprised how many times a software update or just rebooting your phone fixes a ton of issues. So check to see if there's a software update and update if there is. If there's not, you can press the volume up and side button and then swipe to turn your phone off and then turn it back on. After you've done that, if it still doesn't work, the last thing you can do is swipe down to the very bottom of the general settings, tap on transfer or reset iPhone, tap on reset here, and reset all of your network settings. Just enter in your passcode here and tap on reset. This will definitely fix your issue to be able to send those messages.